239 lives, their fates still unknown.
She's crying for her stepbrother. I hope he comes back home.
The most amazing husband and the most amazing father.
We only live because of our children. My only demand is to have my son come back peacefully. Otherwise, it's meaningless.
I hope that they are alive, no matter how small the chance is. I haven't slept for days.
We don't mind our own discomfort. We just want them to search quickly and let us know what's going on. Dead or alive, we want to know as soon as possible.
If I had 2 or 3, this father tells us, I might be able to accept it. But this is my only son. Surely they must find the plane, he says. That's all I hope for. The whole world is out looking for it.
If there's anybody who can survive a situation like that, it's him. Of course I have to prepare for the worst, because no matter what, I still have to go forward. And no matter what, his family still has to go forward. So we need to know where that fork in the road is going to go.